Hello viewers, myself Arisha from Medipack Technologies. Today I am discussing about a machine which is called as IABP CS300. The model is CS300. So I can tell you how can we operate it and make sure that this machine is in a working condition. Here we have a starting button. We can start it from here, which is called as one button startup. At the back we have a hyper nice cylinder. Make sure the cylinder is completely ready for the procedure. With the cylinder, we have a pressure line which is attached to the helium cylinder. This is the helium cylinder. Here we have a connection for the balloon, and this is an input for the IABP. So here we have some connections for the machine. This is completely a sterile process. We just open it for an studying purpose. So I can tell you one by one what are these called. Okay, let's just take a quick review. So this is called femoral sheath. Here we have a function needle, and this is called as mini curve. Okay, so now we connect these connections to the machine, and this is the sensor input cable. Now we will connect it to the machine. Okay, here we have an input for it. Now we can connect it. Make sure there's an arrow, so arrow goes to the arrow. Yeah, this is the right way to input it. Now our machine is start for the working purpose. Here is the IABP cable. Now we can plug it to the machine. The connection is female to male, so we can connect it properly. Check once that the helium gas is not leaking. Okay, it's completely ready and tight. So here's the connecting for it. Now we can connect it. Connect this tubing to the back side of the machine. So here's the connection. We can connect it now. Yes, it's ready now. So now we can start. First attach these two connectors. Yes. Make sure that the gas is not leaked or there is no leakage for the gas. Here we have the pressure going for the IABP gas. So now we can start the helium cylinder or open it for the further process. The balloon is getting full, and this is the front panel. Here we have some input buttons for it. Sensors. First we have to put the machine on the ECG. You want to have the sensor on the ECG. Here we have the button to change the modes. So let's suppose we can put the machine on auto. Here we have the button to put it on the auto. Now you will close the pressure line and hold it for seconds to make sure that this comes to 0. So here we have the pressure line on 0.
That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and share it with family and friends.